Journaling, a timeless practice, has been a cornerstone of self-reflection and personal growth for centuries. In our fast-paced world, journaling offers a rare opportunity to pause, reflect, and engage in meaningful self-dialogue. This video guides you through starting your journaling journey, a simple yet profound tool for self-improvement. Understanding the power of journaling. Journaling is more than just a record of daily events. It's a pathway to deeper self-understanding. It allows you to clarify your thoughts, track your personal growth, and manage your emotions more effectively. By regularly documenting your experiences, you create a space for introspection, which is key to personal development. Getting started with journaling. 1. Choose your medium. Whether it's a classic notebook or a digital app, select a medium that feels comfortable and convenient. The act of writing by hand can be therapeutic for some, while others may prefer the speed and flexibility of digital journaling. 2. Create a routine. Consistency is key in journaling. Set aside a regular time each day for your writing. It could be in the morning to set intentions for the day, or at night to reflect on what transpired. 3. Find a comfortable space. Your environment can significantly impact your writing experience. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can write without interruptions. What to write about. Daily reflections. Start by summarizing your day. What were the high points and the challenges? How did you feel about different events? Gratitude logging. Each day, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. This practice fosters positivity and helps in recognizing the good in your life. Goal setting. Use your journal to set personal goals and track your progress. Writing down your goals makes them more tangible and achievable. Overcoming challenges. When faced with difficulties, use your journal to work through your emotions and brainstorm solutions. Dream diary. Recording your dreams can be a window into your subconscious mind, offering insights you might not recognize while awake. Tips for effective journaling. 1. Be honest and open. Your journal is a private space. Be as honest and open as you can to truly benefit from the self-reflective process. 2. Don't stress about writing style. Your journal is for your eyes only. Don't worry about grammar, punctuation, or style. Focus on the act of expressing your thoughts and feelings. 3. Use prompts. If you're unsure what to write about, use journaling prompts. These can be questions or topics that spark thought and reflection. 4. Reflect on past entries. Periodically, look back on your old entries. These can help you see how far you've come and identify patterns in your thoughts and behaviors. Journaling for emotional release. Journaling can be an effective tool for emotional release. Writing about painful experiences can help you process and understand your emotions, leading to healing and growth. Remember, it's okay to express anger, sadness, or frustration in your journal. Journaling for creativity and problem solving. Apart from emotional reflection, journaling can enhance creativity and problem-solving skills. When you write freely, you allow your mind to explore and generate new ideas, often leading to innovative solutions to problems. The benefits of journaling. 1. Improved mental health. Regular journaling can lead to reductions in stress, anxiety, and depression. 2. Enhanced self-awareness. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you develop a deeper understanding of yourself. 3. Better decision-making. Journaling helps clarify your thoughts and emotions, leading to better decision-making. 4. Boosted memory and comprehension. The act of writing improves memory and comprehension skills. 5. Increased accountability. Keeping a record of your goals and progress increases your accountability and motivation. Before we end this video, we wanted to conclude that journaling is a powerful tool for self-improvement, offering a unique blend of emotional release, self-awareness, and personal growth. It's a practice that adapts to your needs and evolves with you over time. As you embark on this journaling journey, remember that there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important aspect is to start and to be consistent with it. Your journal is your sanctuary, a place where you can be unapologetically yourself, reflecting, growing and evolving day by day.